Hello and welcome to the arcade of unfinished projects. It looks like we've got a bit of an arcade forming. We have the telephone exchange, Crazy Taxi. We've got the big Zoltar. He's a bit camera shy, but can we see him in there? He just about is there. We have the game selling stall. We have the Squirrel Fool's Game Boy cabinet, which is brilliant. We also have a pedestrian crossing button here in the UK, and we're going to turn it into a Frogger-like game. But I thought it'd be really fun to have a little Blockbuster. Now, I've recently come back off holiday, and DVDs, when we were in France, DVD rentals was pretty big actually, and I think they're going to come back in a big way once people tire of all the streaming services. So let's build a Blockbuster with a little extra for the arcade. Here we go. So here's my little Blockbuster, just in the corner, a small selection of DVDs, and at the top we have our mini Zoltar fortune teller machine, which just gives a yes or no answer to any question that you ask. But the idea is you select a DVD, you then press the button, ask the question, is this film going to be good for me, or am I going to like it? And it'll answer yes or no. Well, that's the plan anyway, so let's give it a go. Okay, let's take out a DVD. Now, don't judge me on my DVD collection. Let's just go with this one, and we've got Wallace and Gromit. Right, Wallace and Gromit cracking contraptions. Am I going to like this? Let's ask Zoltar. Okay, so he's going to do his thing. I want to change this graphic to be more Blockbuster appropriate, I think, but in the meantime, we'll just stick with good old Zoltar, and he says yes, it is a film or a DVD we'll like, so off we go. Now, I haven't figured out how we're going to link up the coin acceptor, so maybe it's sort of acting like an honesty box at the minute. So you select a DVD, you get an opinion from Zoltar, and then you pay your money. And I think the Blockbuster, this little Blockbuster in the corner of the workshop, will be a really cool addition. So there you have it, the Blockbuster Tower, we'll call it. Notice that it's all really rough around the edges, and that's because it's all made out of scrap. Like anything that I build out of here in the workshop, it's all made out of scrap. It's sort of like my thing, I guess. But yeah, this is all built out of scrap, just proof of concept. But notice there's a big panel here, which would be really cool. Maybe we could do like a QR code for people to scan and build a little booking system for when they book out DVDs or something. I don't know. It's just a fun little project, isn't it? It's a fun little project. So yeah, I'm going to have a think and redo the animation. So Zoltar's probably replaced by a Blockbuster employee, or I don't know, Barry Norman? I don't know. Anyway, here's the nearly complete, but don't forget this is the arcade of incomplete projects, so it will fit right in its current state. Here is the Blockbuster DVD, Zoltar fortune teller, honesty box project. Okay, thanks for stopping by. Take care, and let's give Zoltar one more try. Are you going to subscribe to the channel? He's thinking, and he says no. Well, prove him wrong. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time from the arcade of unfinished projects.